Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. I am Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English class 6. Students, this is your book of OPE of class 6. Okay, you have to read from this book, and this book is available on Tuckshop. You can purchase this book and read from this lesson. We will start our lecture number 1 from this book page number 19. Students, we have made our WhatsApp groups and our also YouTube channels. You can subscribe our channels to get our new videos on daily basis, and we can share our content on our WhatsApp groups. You can ask questions to us if you do not understand some lessons or you feel any difficulty in your lecture. You can ask us on our WhatsApp group. Today we will start our lecture from book page number 19. Book page number 19, lesson Where We Live Now. So the lesson is Where We Live Now, and we have a topic Venice. Okay, book page number 19, book of OPE class 6, and the topic is Venice, a city of water. Basically, why this city is called a city of water, why it is called a city of water. So the main reason is the city Venice is made on 100 small islands. The city is built on 118 small islands separated by canals and joined by bridges. There are 118 small islands which is built, and the city is made or built on 118 small islands. ये शहर यानी वेनिस, जिसको a city of water यानी पानी का शहर कहा जाता है, क्यों कि वेनिस 118 स्मॉल आइलैंड्स पर बना हुआ है, जो एक दूसरे से 118 आइलैंड्स कैनाल के जरिए जुदा जुदा हैं और ब्रिजेस के जरिए पूरा शहर मिला हुआ है, इसलिए इस सिटी को सिटी ऑफ वाटर कहा जाता है. एंड अनदर टॉपिक अबाउट दिस सिटी इज वी हैव gondolas. What this word mean? I have written the meaning of this word here. Gondola means a small boat. A small boat in Venice city is called gondola. Okay, and the people who row the boat or paddle the gondola are called gondoliers. What they are called? Gondoliers. They are the people who row or paddle the gondola, a small boat, from one place to another or from one side of the island to the other side. Okay? Basically ये नेम है गंडोला. इसका मतलब क्या है? एक छोटी कश्ती, एक छोटी सी कश्ती जो वेनिस सिटी में चलती रहती है. आमतौर पर हम या कश्ती कहते हैं या नाव कहते हैं या शिप कहते हैं, पर वेनिस सिटी में जो छोटी बोट्स चलती हैं जो लोगों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक ले जाती हैं, उन्हें वो गंडोला कहते हैं. ओके, और जो लोग ये गंडोला चलाते हैं उन्हें गंडोलियर्स कहा जाता है. मींस द पीपल हु रो और पैडल द स्मॉल बोट्स इन वेनिस आर कॉल्ड gondoliers. Okay, now we have another outstanding or stunning place in Venice. What is it? It is Docks Palace, or it is called St. Mark's Square. What is it called? Docks Palace or St. Mark's Square. It is the beauty of city Venice. This thing is the beauty of city Venice, and this city is very popular and a treasure trove of historic buildings. वेनिस सिटी में सबसे मशहूर जगह एक डॉग्स पैलेस या जिसे सेंट मार्क्स स्क्वायर कहा जाता है, ये भी चीजें हैं जो देखने के काबिल हैं। इसके अलावा इस सिटी में बहुत से ऐसे यानी ट्रेजर ट्रूव्स हैं, यानी स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स एंड आर्टिफैक्ट्स, यानी इस तरह खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग्स बनी हुई हैं। वैसी एक खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग में से सेंट मार्क्स स्क्वायर भी एक है। एंड दिस सिटी faced many devastating floods. The worst floods were in 1966. The worst floods were in 1966 in Venice, when St. Mark's Square was under 4 feet water. Each year between October and April, Venice city is flooded by AccuWalt. Venice city is flooded by AccuWalt. What does it mean, AccuWalt? So I have written the meaning of this word here. AccuWalt means high waters. AccuWalt means high waters. It is an Italian word. It is an Italian word which means high waters. Each year between October and April, Venice city is flooded by AccuWalt high waters. हर साल अक्टूबर एंड अप्रैल के मंथ के बीच वेनिस में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लूड यानी सैलाब आते रहते हैं, जिनमें सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा सैलाब इनमें आया था, फ्लूड आया था 1966 में। 1966 में जो फ्लूड थी उसमें सेंट मार्क्स स्क्वायर, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी ऊंची इमारत और खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग है, वो बहुत ऊंची इमारत 1966 के फ्लूड में 4 फीट अंडर वाटर थी, यानी पानी के नीचे थी, पानी इससे 4 फीट ऊपर था। These were the worst floods in the history of Venice. वेनिस की हिस्ट्री में ये सबसे ज्यादा वर्स्ट फ्लूड्स थे। And each year, as I told you earlier, between October and April, Venice city is flooded away by AccuWalt, which means high waters. Okay, and the authorities of Venice are trying to find way of protecting their city. The authorities are trying to find the way to protect their city, and worst floods, next floods have been predicted in 2030. The next worst floods have been predicted in 2030. The next serious floods have been predicted in 2030. वेनिस सिटी में हर साल अक्टूबर एंड अप्रैल के मंथ्स के बीच में बहुत ही ज़्यादा पानी का बहाव होता है, जिसे हम फ्लूड्स कहते हैं या सैलाब कहते हैं कॉमन लैंग्वेज में। अब सबसे ज़्यादा सीरियस फ्लूड्स, खतरनाक फ्लूड्स जिनसे बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ वेनिस सिटी में, वो थी 1966 में। अब उसी तरह की नेक्स्ट सीरियस फ्लूड जो है प्रिडिक्ट की गई है, यानी बताया गया है कि ऐसी फिर से दोबारा जो सैलाब जिसको हम फ्लूड कहते हैं वो 2030 में बताया गया है कि वेनिस में आएगा। इसके अलावा जो वहाँ की अथॉरिटीज़ हैं, the authorities of Venice are trying to find the way to protect the city before that date. जो वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट है, जो वहाँ की अथॉरिटीज़ हैं, वो बहुत से तरीके, नए नए तरीके फाइंड कर रहे हैं अपने सिटी को बचाने के लिए 2030 से पहले पहले। सबसे पहले मैं आपका लेक्चर एक बार दोबारा रिपीट करता हूँ कि सबसे पहले हमारे पास लेसन नंबर 1, यूनिट नंबर 1 का लेसन नंबर 1, वेयर वी लिव नाउ, एंड टॉपिक इज Venice, a city of water. Our topic is Venice, a city of water. City of water, why it is name given to the city. ये इस शहर को नाम क्यों दिया गया है? As I told you earlier, the city Venice is built on 118 small islands separated by canals and joined by bridges. The historic center of this city is the city Venice is made or built on 118 small islands separated by canals and joined by bridges. That is the speciality or historic center of city Venice. Number second thing, as I told you, gondola. What does it mean? I have written the meaning here. Gondola means a small boat. As we call ship or a small ship, but why do we call it gondola? Because it is found only in Venice, a small boat. And the people who row these boats, these small boats or paddle these boats are called gondoliers. Who paddle or row these boats. And another thing or a special thing about gondoliers is when they carry people in their boats from one side to the other side, they sing along. What do they do? They sing along when they carry passengers from one side to the other. They are famous for their singing. They sing along the way when they carry passengers, which echoes the city, and people, especially tourists, like to hear their singing, and they are famous for their singing. Another thing, St. Mark's Square or Dogs Palace. This is the beautiful artifact building of city Venice. There were floods or worst floods in 1966. Worst flood in Venice were in 1966 when St. Mark's Square were 4 feet underwater. Dogs Palace or St. Mark's Square was 4 feet underwater. Water was too high. Now the next serious floods have been predicted in 2030, but the authorities of Venice are trying to find the way to protect their city before that date. Okay, now our lecture ends here. I have a homework for you. So what you have to do, you have to note this homework in your notebooks. It is text 1, book page number 21. Text 1, book page number 21. You have to find the meaning or you have to find the word or phrase to match the following definitions. As you can see this picture, this is text 1. What you have to do in this page number, you have to read the passage text number 1, Venice, a city of water, and complete the exercise by filling these blanks. What you have to do, you have to read text number 1 and you have to find the meaning which suit these words from text number 1. Our lecture ends now. I hope you all understand my lecture. We will meet in second lecture. Until, stay home, save lives. Thank you.